And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders and students all around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is Forex trading course 101. We are still in the Forex trading week. I don't remember if it's lesson day 5, day 4. Anyway, everybody, what we're trying to do here, we're trying to build the 3 pillars. Pillar number 1 is the strategy and or the system. Pillar number 2 is the risk management, and pillar number 3 is the psychology part. Hello Obina, how are you? And what do champion beginner traders say about psychology? Champion beginner traders say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And of course this is a quote from Mark Douglas, and I have my own quote here on the left. When the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. Hello Allah, how are you? Hello Tari, we are going to read your questions, Tari. And everybody remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide, and the webinars are not investment or trading advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. And for homeworks or questions, you have my Gmail contact and you have my Skype contact. And you don't have anymore the LinkedIn contact, you know. Patron, you are the boss. You are the boss as well, yes. So we are in the Forex trading week, right? We are, remember everybody, we are trying to implement what we have learned so far. So we finished the 2 modules. We talked about the beginner is not over, but we learned about market structure, highs and lows, and trends and trend lines, and we are trying to implement this into the live markets. Okay, now Euro AUD 2-hour chart, you know, this was from yesterday. Now Tari sent questions, so let's read the question, you know. Number 1, extension or retracement waves, relevant highs and lows, borderlines are part of market structure and short-term trends. What makes relevant highs and low and borderlines for the waves? Answer is yes. Next question, is it possible to have market wave without confirmed trends inside relevant highs and lows? The answer is no. What if the confirmed short-term trend inside the market wave still did not breach the last previous relevant higher low or lower high? Is still considered a market wave? Answer is yes. Number 2, do we can have not relevant highs and lows in short-term trend? The answer is yes. If we do have not relevant highs and lows, is this a short-term trend? The answer is yes. Number 3, up to what time frame, monthly, weekly, daily candlestick can be used as reference to trading now? Answer, it's up to your strategy. If you are trading on the hourly, can the chart be daily time frame the confirmation? The answer is yes. Number 4, if I'm scanning 28 currency per daily, which time frame would be ideal for quick reference to trade today? Answer, it regards your strategy. If I am trading on the hourly chart with the daily as my confirmation time frame, yes, you can. Okay, Tari? Okay, Tari, did we answer your questions? If it was too fast, you're going to have the recording, okay? Hello SL, how are you? Okay, everybody, let's check the positions. We are long on AUD CAD. We are losing. We are long on AUD CAD. We are losing. We are long on AUD CHF. We are losing. We are shorting NZD CAD, so everything is in red, right? Now let's see what's happening. Let's see NZD CAD first, right? NZD CAD 2-hour chart, NZD CAD daily chart, NZD CAD daily chart. Well, We learned that we entered prematurely, right? We entered prematurely in the NZD CAD, right? So the daily chart is still moving on, still moving up, okay? But we said, okay, wait, we have a stop loss there. Then AUD CAD daily chart. Let's see what's happening on the AUD CAD daily chart. And what did we do? We entered long or short? Let me see. AUD CAD long and AUD CHF also long, right? So it's okay. AUD CAD daily chart, we entered long. Okay, the market's still doing nothing, right? Up and down. And AUD CAD 1 hour chart. AUD CAD 1 hour chart. Oh, Zuelius, the market. So you and Tari, huh? You and Tari are in, you know. Zuelius stop loss. Where is Tari's stop loss? Tari's stop loss. This is your order. And take profit, stop loss. Where is the other one? Oh, it's the same, I believe, right? Stop loss, okay. So, if I'm not mistaken, Tari and Zuelius, you are here. This is Tari and this is Zuelius. Zuelius, Tari, stop loss. If I'm not mistaken, were you right, Zuelius and Tari? Or it was SL who entered long? Everybody? Okay, so we are here, right? Okay, any other currency pairs, everybody, do you want to check? AUD CHF, right? AUD CHF. Nothing new, the market is going nowhere, you know, kind of sideways, right? Moving up, moving down. AUD JPY, we were talking about AUD JPY, right? Okay, everybody, what is the currency pair that you want to check? Remember, first comes first is served. We are trying to implement what we have learned so far. Okay. So far we talked about Euro AUD, we talked about NZD CAD, we talked about AUD CAD, and we talked about AUD CHF. We talked about AUD JPY, so who is the next in line? Out CAD, AUD NZD. Let's open AUD NZD, everybody. AUD NZD. AUD NZD is next in line. Yes, stop loss under relevant high, high or low. Okay. Okay, everybody, AUD NZD. This is a different one. Okay. So let's start learning today, everybody. What is the long-term bias for AUD NZD? It's long, short, sideways. What do you think? What do you think? It's long, it's short. What would you say? Would you say it's long? Would you say it's short? So what we have learned so far, we have the upper band and we have the lower band, right? Now this is something different, you know. This is something different. The long-term bias and the short-term bias are, you know, this is for the beginner traders. This pair, it's locked. Until now, like this, clone, You know, you have different, so this would be one, you have different, this would be the second one. This is this pair's movement, everybody. This pair is sideways, long term. This pair, it's long term sideways. Oh, but you said, yes, but I'm telling you, AUD, NZD, USD, CHF, Canada, CHF are exception to the rule so far. This pair, until it breaks out of this consolidation, it's sideways, right? So if this is true, then what should we do? And we are here. Then from the monthly standpoint, what should we do? Should we go short or should we go long? What do you think? Should we go long or should we go short? Yes, this pair is sideways, you know. So the market hit the ceiling once, went down, hit the ceiling twice, went down, hit the ceiling 3 times, went down, hit the ceiling 4 times and went down, right? And then hit the ceiling here and went down again. And so we have 2 types of consolidation, you know. We have a consolidation inside the consolidation. Short, yes sir. Short. Okay, so we're going to short the market, and let's clone the chart going on the weekly, right? So what about the weekly chart? Still short, everybody? What do you think? Should we still short the market? Consolidation is short bias. Well, it depends how you define short. Yes, it's short. I'm joking with you, everybody. It's short, short, short. But at a support. So, teacher SL, short or long? Short or long? There is no right or wrong, short or long. Short or long, there is nothing wrong. This is MC FXPassion giving you the music of today. Short or long, there is no right or wrong. What we're going to do? Should we short the market? Yes, short. Okay. Where should the stop loss go? Now this is the easy one, right? What pattern are we trading? Well, we are trading the sideways movement, right? What pattern are we trading? We are trading the sideways movement, and for trade management we have this line. From the weekly, this confirms that the market broke the, you know, this one, and then downtrend, it's like this, right? Zuelius, yes, short. Okay, where should the stop loss go? What else, right? What else can we implement that we learned so far? Well, the market wave. Extension, retracement, extension. It's not finished yet because it must be a confirmed low, and we don't have 2 candles on the right with higher low values. SL, wow, SL says long, great. I love this. So Zuelius and SL, let's enter on the weekly chart, or do you prefer to go on the daily chart? We have broken the higher low in weekly. Have we broken the higher low on the weekly? Well, you have a lower high, not higher low, Tari. You have two lower highs and two lower lows. Short right now. Okay, Obina wants short right now, so sell market, submit, and the stop loss goes to, let's make it red. Stop loss goes to, and this is edit label, Obina stop loss, and goes to 1.0900. Okay, what about the take profit? Obina, if this is your stop loss, then if we're going to risk 1, we want to make minimum 2, right? Clone 1 and clone 2. Okay, I don't know if the market's going to give us that much profit. Okay, and daily chart. Okay, great. Obina, you are in. We are just going to go long and short with Zuelius, and so this is the daily chart. Obina, you are in. Okay, this is the daily chart. Trend line is not correct, just give me a second. There you go. This is the trend line. So Zuelius, do you want to short the market? And SL, let's go long, right? This is the market right now. Short-term extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. And yes, we have one more extension. Zuelius, short the market right now. SL, let's go long right now. Obina, short for daily, okay? Wait next counter trendline break, then go long. Zuelius, you said to go short, not long. So Zuelius, are you changing your mind? Do you want to go short or long? Oh, go short. But you have the counter trendline break already. Zuelius, this is your counter trendline break. Not on the daily, right? Not on the daily, but on the smaller time frame. It broke last support area out back and may continue on short. Everybody, we don't have the crystal ball, right? But is there an indication that the market is going long? On the monthly chart, no, right? On the weekly, it's a different story because the market needs to wave, right? The market must wave. It must make extension, retracement, extension. So, SL, do you still want to go long? Teacher SL, let's go long. This is the daily chart, and Zuelius, to make your life easier, let's go to the 2-hour chart. And let's see, right? Let's see. No, we are not making your life easier. The market didn't break the counter trend line yet. You know, this is the 2-hour chart, but the daily it's here, right? Anybody else that wants to go long or wants to go short? What do you think? Then I enter stop loss last high. On the daily chart? Not really, okay? So everybody, what? Short, long, what should we do? Should we go short? Should we go long? Now, for the short-term traders, right, this market is sideways too. This market is kind of sideways, right? What does this mean? This means that if we go on the 15-minute chart, if you want, and remember, these webinars are not trading or investing advice, everybody. Wait for the break, okay? You know, if you are a short-term trader, I cannot, okay, there you go. If you are a short-term trader, well, the market is kind of sideways, right? And maybe like this, better, and like this, something, you know. 15-minute chart, sideways movement, right? So, who in here wants to trade this sideways movement on the 15-minute chart? Did this view change anything about your trading style, everybody? Question, passion, what should we do? Answer, I don't know. Tari was asking a few questions and the answer was, it's according to your strategy, it's according to your strategy, it's according to your strategy. But what is the learning part, everybody? You can have 2 or 5 different traders looking at the same picture from the monthly, weekly and the daily chart, and some of them are going long, some of them are going short. Why would somebody go long? Well, maybe the trader who was entering long trades was trading this sideways movement on the 15-minute chart. Make sense, everybody? If you're a beginner trader, everybody, you must learn that we have different patterns developing every single time, every single day on different time frames. On some time frame you are going to have an uptrend, on some time frame, same currency pair, you are going to have uptrends, downtrends and consolidations on the same currency pair. And this is why some traders are going long, or you are going long and somebody else is going to go short. And you are going to question yourself, oh my gosh, you know, am I doing the right thing? Well, if you are clear on the pattern, and if you are going to put the stop loss on the pattern traded, then the answer is yes. SL, I don't see a tradable pattern, better look for another pair. Fair answer, everybody. If you don't see, if the picture is not clear to you, find another trade. Find another currency pair, right? But talking about patterns, everybody, This is for the beginner traders. Big picture pattern is the sideways movement. You know, this is the big picture pattern. You know, the market is locked inside those two smaller consolidation from the monthly chart and bigger consolidation, you know. So this is the pattern. You know, from the monthly, you know. From the daily, what is the pattern tradable? Well, you can trade the short-term downtrend or the down market wave. So you have another pattern to trade on the daily chart. And if you go on the 2-hour chart or the 50-minute chart, you have a third pattern, which is the sideways movement, right? So, is anything wrong if I, maybe not yet, but when the market goes somewhere down here, is anything wrong if I enter long here on the 15-minute chart and I put my stop loss somewhere down here? Is this wrong? Everybody? Is this wrong if I'm going to do this? Tari says, wait for a candle to close on the daily. Sure. Let's make a poll, everybody. Who in here wants to go long and short on the sideways movement? What do you think? And another question is it probability wise, is it less risky to go long or is less risky to wait and go short on this sideways movement? What is less risky? Even though it's a probability game, you know. Oh, I didn't see it this way, right? So what is the mindset of the beginner trader? Trade what you see. If this is what you like, if this is what you understand, you know, wait for the market to hit the upper band or wait for the market to hit the lower band and stop loss above or below the sideways movement and just enter the market, you know. Make sense, guys? That we can trade retracements, we can trade extensions, we can trade sideways movement. No, it's better to go short from the top band. Sure. Whatever you want, everybody. Okay. So this was AUD NZD. Who is the next in line? Let me see. Next in line is Canada CHF. Canada CHF, it's next in line. So Canada CHF. Canada CHF monthly chart. See, everybody, Canada CHF, AUD NZD, USD CHF are a little bit different, right? You know, so this would be the lower band, this would be the upper band, but really the market is in here, right? Canada CHF monthly chart, you know, the market is locked in here. So there you go, 1, 2, and the market was in here and the market broke, right? This level of consolidation. Nonetheless, we are still here. Those are the wicks of the candles, you know, and we are here right now. So what is this going to be, everybody? Is it long or short? Long or short long term? Canada CHF, this is the picture. Long or short. And maybe, just maybe, we have another smaller consolidation going along right now, you know. So what is going to be, long or short long term? You can say long, you can say short, you can say I don't know. Long but sideways, you know. But as you can see, everybody, this is the monthly chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for 9 months the market is like this, right? 9 months. Long, long, long. Okay. Clone. Let's go on the weekly. Let's see if weekly changes something, or, you know, this is the weekly. And let's color code differently this smaller one, right? So color like this and like this. What about now? Did the picture change? Still do you want to go long, everybody? What else did we learn? We learned to put the trend line, right? So the trend line is, this was one trend line, and then the market was making, this is the second one, you know, and then this is the next one. Allah says short the market. What else did we learn? We learned about extension retracement. So market wave, extension retracement, and we learned about the short-term trend, right? Higher high, higher low, not confirmed yet. Allah, do you still want to go short? Remember, oh no, I'm changing my mind. Remember, everybody, there is no right or wrong. You need to, so what is difficult for the beginner trader? You need to choose. You need to choose what pattern are you going to trade. We have 4 different patterns right now. The first one is the big sideways movement in the red. This is the first one. So you need to choose, you know. Or are you going to trade the extension retracement extension, the yellow one? You need to choose. Or are you going to trade the short-term uptrend, which is in the red? You need to choose. Which one was this one? This one. Transparency, maybe. Okay, doesn't matter. So 1, 2, 3, or you have the smaller one, the violet one, right? The smaller consolidation. Okay. So number 1, as a beginner trader, you have all these patterns. Those are still valid. Yes. The market didn't violate any of them. You know, just choose one. So the question is, I am Allah and I'm going to short the violet line. Am I doing anything wrong? right? I had 2 lows, I had 2 highs, you know. Passion, how can we choose? Just choose. How do I know what is better? You don't know what is better. I mean, you don't know, we don't know what is, it's a probability game. Choose the one that you like, choose the one that you understand, choose the one that you feel comfortable, you know, and trade. Does this make sense to everybody? Don't come to Forex course to without this skill. What is the skill? You need to be able to choose what pattern are you going to trade, and you need to respect the stop loss of the pattern. And this is a skill. Wait for counter trend and go long. On what pattern? SL. Great comment, SL. On what pattern? What about you, Tari? What about you, Zuelius? Obina, what about you? Long, short, what? Which one do you want to trade? Do you want to trade the red one? Do you want to trade the yellow one? Do you want to trade the brown? Or do you want to trade the violet? Red, okay. SL is saying wait for the counter trendline break and then go long. Teacher SL, so are we going to stay out for 3 weeks? This is the weekly chart. Everybody, if you want to learn how to live from the market, you need to take in consideration time. Okay? Passion, so is this wrong? No, it's not wrong, but you need to take in consideration that if you are going to wait for a counter trendline break on the weekly chart, maybe you are going to wait for a month or 2. Zuelius short in the violet. Right now? Right now, Zuelius? Or do you want to go on the smaller time frame? I will enter long at 0.700 in my weekly stop loss at... Okay, so... buy stop at... what's the... 0.70000 and stop loss is going to be at 0.68066. Submit, there you go. Obina, you are in with the pending order. Okay. This is Obina. Thank you very much for the comment. Obina long. Okay, this is Obina's long trade. Obina, what pattern are you trading? Your entry makes sense, but your stop doesn't. Obina, what pattern are you trading? Short on smaller consolidation with candlestick, stop loss. Tari, right now? Zuelio says no, let's go on the smaller time frame. Yes, sir. Clone chart, daily. Now we are looking at the exactly same thing from the daily perspective, right? This is the daily chart. Tari, should we short right now or not? We're going to adjust the uptrend line like this. Smaller consolidation, top band, okay? Stop loss candlestick formation. Okay, so right now, Tari, remember guys, if you wait too much, maybe the risk reward is not. Yes now, yes sir. Submit, and stop loss is going to be 7040. 7050, yes. Okay. This is Tari short. Text. Tari short. Okay. So I would say, Tari, you are going 1 versus 2, right? This is the stop loss and your take profit is clone 1 and clone 2, right? So we're going to profit take in front of the violet line, right? Obina says, I am going long on the short wave. Short wave. Okay. Oh yes, okay. Makes sense. Thank you very much, Obina. It makes sense, yes. Obina is going long on the red one. Tari is shorting the violet one. Anybody else? Teacher Zoelios, do you want to short right now together with Tari? Daily chart. And Obina long, right? And where is Obina long? Oh, there you go. Obina long, right? This is the stop loss. Take profit. No. Oh yes. This is Obina's long. There you go here. Okay. Teacher Zuelius, we are waiting for you. Anybody else? Ala, do you want to short the market together with Tari and Zuelius? SL is going to wait for the counter trendline break. Now I'm curious. Clone chart, 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. We had the counter trendline break here. So SL is waiting for another counter trendline break here, right? But back on the daily, it's more transparent, right? Now wait for the market to pass the last lower, higher low. Okay. What about your risk reward, Zuelius? If you are going to wait, like this, yellow color for you, what about the risk reward? Everybody, 1 versus 1, it's not worth trading unless you are a scalper. Don't swing trade, everybody, and don't day trade 1 for 1. It's not worth it. Webinar in Spanish in 10 minutes. Sí, señor. Everybody, don't trade 1 for 1 unless you are a scalper. Why not? Because you are going nowhere. You are going to win 1, lose 1, win 1, lose 1, win 2, lose 1, lose 2, win 1, lose 3, win 2, win 3, lose 1. You are going nowhere with your account. Ala says yes. Okay, so Ala and Tari, you are together. Tari slash Ala, it's here, shorting the market. Or going long if a core account. Well, you need to decide, everybody. This is the skill that you need to acquire as a beginner trader. Decide what you are going to do. And with time, you are going to understand what you are going to understand about yourself, not about the market, but about yourself, what you are doing better and what you are doing not so good, not that good. And with time, logically, you are going to increase what you are doing better, and you are going to decrease what you are not doing that good, right? Teacher Zuelius, there is a Spanish webinar coming along. What do you want to do? Stop loss last, lower high in the moment to enter. So short, right? So Zuelius, you're going to enter when the market passes the last high or low, and the stop is going to be at the last lower high. Okay, so this is Zuelius, right? Now sell stop like this, and your stop loss is going to be not working. Stop loss cancel. Okay, so sell stop, we want to sell stop, and stop loss want to be, oh, there we go, stop loss is going to be above in here. Okay, Zuelius, you are in too. Let's see how this is going to play out. So this is Zuelius short. Let's make a different color like blue and label Zuelius short trade. Okay, I'm waiting for the market to define its move. Oh, you are already in. You are not going to wait for anything. You know, you are already in. Your strategy is in place. No more changing. No more changing. No, you are no more changing. You know, I'm going long and now I'm going to go short. No, oh my God. You know, you have the stop loss on the lower high, Zuelius, and you are going to enter if the market breaks the higher low. Okay, Obina stop loss is to go long. Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. What is your next level? What is today? Monday, Tuesday, next level number 2. right? We didn't talk on Friday. Let's talk about the next level number 5 today. It's the incubation program. So if you want to trade for an asset manager or a hedge fund, ask for incubation, where I will personally allocate the funds for you. Yes, me, FXPassion, I'm going to allocate the funds for you to trade with. You will receive 50% of profit share on our money for the first quarter, and then you will receive up to 70% of profit share. No tricks, no hidden costs. Show us that you are a good trader and you can build your trading career with us. There is only one rule: maximum drawdown is 30%. Okay? The bottom line with next level number 1, 2, 3 and 4 is, if your way is not working, why don't you try